Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you the roadmap on the 1 year or a year to become the AI engineer. So guys, are you interested to get this such of salary? For example, this is for the entry level and also this is for the mid level and also senior and also the lead level. So as you can see, you will start to consider to think about this AI engineer as your next career and how to become this AI engineer and what thing that you need to master. So here I ask for this DeepSeek AI to help me to create the roadmap to become the AI engineer. And you can start to take your chance or take the first step maybe 1 year from now and ahead and what things that you need to prepare. And for example, in the quarter one, which means the first until the third month, you need to start learning and also master the programming and particularly about the Python and you need to start to know about the data science libraries, mathematics fundamental, and also the version control. And don't worry because you can also ask about the tool that you need to master and the platform, particularly the free platform that will help you to learn about this, let's say the Python and also the mathematics and also the data science like this guys. There are the free Code Camp, Kaggle Learn, Khan Academy and the Odin project. And the next quarter would be the fourth until 6 month. You need to learn about this machine learning, deep learning basic and machine learning operation and also the SQL guys. And this is the thing that you would like to learn and this will be the tool like the scikit-learn, PyTorch, Poetry or Conda and also the SQLite for example or PostgreSQL. And don't worry because you can also access this platform like Coursera, Google Machine Learning Crash Course, PyTorch.org, and also the Machine Learning Flow and Khan Academy to get the free learning platform and resources. And the next Q3 would be the 7th until 9th month. You need to master about the natural language processing and the computer vision, LLM, and generative AI and the model deployment. So this will be the thing that you need to learn. And also if you slide it to the right, you will find the tool that you need to master like the Hugging Face, OpenCV, PyTorch Vision or TensorFlow Hub, OpenAI API, LangChain, and also the Fast API, Flash or Docker. And this is the free learning platform and resources like the Hugging Face course and also this Fast AI or this one CS231N 231N, I'm sorry, Deep Learning AI, LangChain, the doc and tutorial, and also this Fast API, the official doc and the Docker to get the static tutorial, guys. And after that, on the quarter fourth or the fourth quarter, you need to start to advance the topic and do the portfolio building. It is particularly on the 10th month until 12th. They are the machine learning design, cloud platform, advanced topic, and also the try to interview preparation, guys. And you can start to know about the tool that you need to master, like the Apache Airflow, Redis, Docker Compose, Kubernetes, and also AWS, Google Cloud, OpenAI Gym, PyTorch, Geometric, Profit, and also the LetCode and Glassdoor to try or challenge yourself to prepare your portfolio and prepare for the interview. And this is the free learning that you can access, like the YouTube, particularly about the machine learning system and also the machine learning ops and the AWS, Google Cloud. And after that, there are the spinning up by OpenAI, and you can try this let code. So that's all guys. I hope this video found you helpful, and don't forget to find your purpose and also try to find out every single AI to help you to get the very suitable roadmap. So, and I hope that you will achieve what you want and become the best of the best version. So that's all guys. I hope this video found you helpful, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.